In this video, we'll see how to make tasty and healthy snack Masala Khakhra. Simple to make and healthy. Let's get started. To make the dough, we need 2 cups whole wheat flour, Gehun ka atta. To that, add 4 teaspoon ghee. You can also add oil, but I suggest that you use ghee. Some salt as per taste. Now next step is to mix this ghee and salt everything with the flour, that is our atta, very well. This is a very important step, so take your time and mix it well. Now some spices, 1/4 teaspoon Haldi, half teaspoon Red Chilli Powder and half teaspoon Garam Masala. 2 teaspoon ginger garlic paste to add a really nice taste. Guys, please do not skip this. Again, give it a mix and gradually add water and make a medium soft dough. The dough should not be very hard, but it should not be very loose. So medium soft dough is what you need to knead. So knead the dough till it comes together, and after that you need to apply some oil to it, cover it and let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes. After resting the dough, knead it for a minute or so, and you would notice that the dough would become really nice and smooth, and that's what we are looking for. Take out a small portion. Sprinkle some atta, the whole wheat flour, and roll this dough thin. Now there are 2 methods using which you can make your khakras. So one is to just roll it thin and use a cutter. You can use a dish or a plate as a cutter. Like this. Keep your tawa at medium flame and you need to cook this for 10 to 15 seconds on one side. Flip it over and then lower the flame. And you need to keep pressing this roti, this khakhra, before it becomes a khakhra, and keep pressing it. Be a little patient with this because it takes a little more time compared to a normal roti and paratha. Of course it would take, because we are drying it out, we are taking out its moisture so that it becomes khakhra, that is crispy. Apply some oil. You can skip applying oil, but a little oil I suggest that you apply. So flip it over and again press using a cloth. So keep pressing this roti with a cloth on both the sides till it becomes a khakhra. So it's quite hot right now, slightly pliable, but as it cools down, it becomes crunchy. If you're doing it for the first time, wait until you work on your second khakhra and see if the first one has come out really well. If not, then that means you need to cook your khakhra a little more. Second way. So in this, I'm not going to use any cutter, any dish. I'm just rolling it round the way I normally do. I like this method more. And the cooking process still remains the same. So heat the tawa at medium flame, cook it for 10 to 15 seconds on one side, flip over, lower the flame, and then keep pressing tightly with a cloth and keep flipping. Apply a little oil. It's difficult for me to tell you the exact time one khakhra would take because it depends on the flame, the thickness of your tawa. So what I suggest that you keep flipping it and you would notice that it has become stiff. And as it cools down, it would become more stiff, or crisp, rather crisp is the right word. Enjoy this healthy and tasty snack in your tea times or whenever you're hungry. Especially if you're diet conscious and want to munch on something, then this is perfect. Give this recipe a try and enjoy!